Kevin is the king in his room.
I want my kite. Can Kitten help the king? Can Kangaroo help the king? Can Koala help the king? Who can help the king?
Kevin!
I want my kite. Who can help the king?
Mom can help the king.
Everybody sing with me. Let's start to sing with me. Phonics. English phonics story, yeah! Kevin is the king. Kevin is the king. Kevin is the king in his room. Yeah! I want my kite. I want my kite. Can Kitten help the king? Meow. Kitten, kitten, kitten. Can Kangaroo help the king? Kangaroo, kangaroo. Can Koala help the king? Koala, koala. Who can help the king? Who can help the king? Kevin! I want my kite. Who can help the king? Mom can help the king. Yeah! Everybody sing with me. Faster, sing with me. Faster, faster, faster. Faster than anyone. Kevin is the king. Kevin is the king. Kevin is the king in his room. Yeah! I want my kite. I want my kite. Can Kitten help the king? Kitten, kitten, kitten. Can Kangaroo help the king? Kangaroo, kangaroo. Can Koala help the king? Koala, koala. Who can help the king? Who can help the king? Kevin! I want my kite. Who can help the king? Mom can help the king. Yeah! Everybody sing with me. Let's start to sing with me. Phonics. English phonics story, yeah! Yeah!
Hello, my name is uppercase K. Call me Big K, Big K, Big K. I am K too, my name is lowercase k. Call me small k, small k. We are K, Big K, Big K. We are K, small k, small k. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Key, key. King, king. Kitten, kitten. Koala, koala. Kite, kite.